What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your money. That being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, let's talk about this coin. We want to make this a quick video. Okay, the coin is Jasmy, ticket symbol JAS. Jasmy. You remember a couple, let's say a month ago or something like that, I had told you guys that this was a big opportunity. That it was a big opportunity because everything the church was showing and the bullish sentiments around the Jasmy community, around everything that we're working on, this data sharing, or I don't know what you want to call it, these computers coming in, and there is a reason why they call it the Bitcoin of Japan. I was telling you guys, this narrative that we're going into was going to be a very big catalyst for Jasmy to go up to probably 30. When the market gets up to 30 cents, then we will evaluate the market. When Jasmy gets up to 60 cents, then we will evaluate again. Or the most bullish scenario is for Jasmy to hit $1 or $1.20, thereabout. But all that depends on a lot of things. Like I was telling you guys, you can take advantage of this to 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money. Right? I'm always very transparent with you guys. Everything I do, I show you guys. Okay, so before that, let's take a look at what Jasmy is doing today. When we go to the CoinGecko, it's a very good example. You can see Jasmy is up 11% and they are trading at 2.3 cents. Okay, the market cap is what really impressed me the most. The Jasmy was just around that $800 billion market cap, and we are 1.1 billion market cap today. That is really amazing, as you guys can see. If you go to the crypto bubbles, okay, let's go to the crypto bubbles. You can see Jasmy right here on the monthly. Jasmy is up 26%. We go on the weekly. Jasmy is up 19%. On the daily, Jasmy is up 10%. What that tells you is, like, while the whole market, like most of the market, is doing red, Jasmy is starting to pull up again. It's starting to move. Okay, this move, I've been telling you guys about this for the longest. Okay, let's look at my chart, because that's one thing I usually keep my charts without deleting anything. Just that way we go back down the memory line, what we talked about or what we did. Let me take you to my trading view. Okay, trading view right there. As you can see, I'm gonna take you on the daily to zoom out, or the weekly. Let's go on the weekly. Weekly is better. Okay, let me delete that, and now we're zooming to the left. This is what we were looking at on the weekly. Let me get my arrow back. This is what we were looking at. Y'all remember here when the downtrend, like Jasmy was going down 006, 00, and I told guys, like, this thing I think is about to break out. And most people were like, nah, Jasmy was a dead coin. And I told you guys, you gotta put in a trade, because this is going to make you a lot of money. Those of you who followed, we broke out of this, formed this bull flag. You remember this bull flag, which took Jasmy almost to 1 cent, and it got rejected. Guys were saying again, you see what I was telling you? And I was like, no, Jasmy is going up. Look at that again. We broke above. This was the biggest flag that was formed, because we went above 2.5 cents. That's what we went above. Okay, consolidated for a long time, and guys again was still telling the same thing. And I was telling you guys, Jasmy is gonna go up to 5 cents. That's where the first resistance is, and the target for this big bull flag that we just formed was around 10 cents. Most guys did not believe it. Let's zoom in again. Let's zoom in. Let's go to the 4-hour or even on the daily. Okay, like I always tell you guys, it is simple. When you look at Jasmy, okay, Jasmy is trading, look at this, above the 200 moving average. The downtrend was there because we were still below the ribbon, but as you can see, we broke above the ribbon We are above the 200. We are above the resistance, and Jasmy is up for the races. Again, like I said, this move, okay, like I said, this move has a resistance at 5 cents. 5 cents. After breaking that, the ultimate targets for this bull flag is at 10 cents. That's where this Jasmy is heading to. 10 cents on the dollar. Okay, so you can take advantage of it. Like I said, it's not financial advice. Okay, you can 5x, you can 10x, you can even 20x your money. Like always, I'm transparent and I show you guys what I do. Okay, for me, I think it's a good way to accumulate more USDT by leverage trading these coins. Like I said, if you follow my channel, my millionaire journey is to show you guys how I go from nothing to a millionaire. That is something that I believe there's a lot of you out there who are like me. But well, that is another video, another topic for another day, which I will do, explaining the reason why I decided to take this path. Okay, but if you want to follow, I do have my Phemex, I do have my Bydfi links below. You can sign up, start trading. Only if you know what you're doing. Okay, if you don't know what you're doing, please do not go into leverage trading. Do not do that. Okay, don't go into that. So you can go into leverage trading. You can copy me, copy somebody else, or follow your instincts. That being said, let me show you how far those positions have gone, or how good they are doing. We're gonna start with my Bydfi. Let's see here. As you can see, this is my Bydfi. I am up 56%. Okay, 56%. And like I always tell you guys, this trade I plan to keep for the longest time, because I told you guys I believe Jasmy, in the most bullish scenario, it will go to $1.20 in the most bullish scenario, which can make this position could make me like $392,000. But even so, let's just say Jasmy goes to 20 cents. At 20 cents, this position right here can make me like 61,000, as you can see right there. Could make me $61,000. Okay, so that is something that I am looking at. At 20 cents, we will reevaluate the market, look at how, check how things are going. Maybe you want to close the trade, or maybe you want to continue, because all depends on the price of Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is going to be by the time Jasmy hits 20 cents, or what price Jasmy is going to be by the time Bitcoin start hitting the all-time high. So you got to be looking at all that stuff. My second trade, which is on Phemex, let me take you there, right there. I'll open up Phemex, my contracts. If you can see, this my trade. I am up 124%. Okay, like I said, these trades I want to keep them open for the longest. Okay, for the longest, as much as Bitcoin keeps going, as long as Bitcoin keep going, and as long as we can make more money out of it. Okay, the higher it goes, the more money we're going to make. I believe Jasmy will hit that $1.20, but I could be completely wrong, because Jasmy follows Bitcoin. Okay, whatever Bitcoin does, Jasmy does. So let's see what the highest price will be. But as for now, I know for sure that Jasmy is going to hit that 5 cents at that resistance. We're probably going to break it, or going to struggle a little bit, and then go from there to 10 cents. Okay, 10 cents, that should be enough, you know, to see what the market is doing, and then we decide whether we want to close this trade or we want to keep it open. Okay, for sure, Jasmy, that is the highest it went, the last bull run was like 30 cents. So we probably could keep this trade open. Once Jasmy hit that 20 or 30 cents, we will reevaluate and see where it's going. But like I always said, this is an opportunity. It's a life-changing opportunity. You can buy Jasmy on spot and hold it until Jasmy gets to 10 cents or 20 cents. You will see how your money multiplies. Or you can leverage trade it if you know what you're doing. But anyways, let me know what you think. Okay, do you think Jasmy could get to $1? Do you think it's not just possible? But anyways, please subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications on, and comment. Please, I would like to know what you think about this. See you in the next one. Bye bye.